Hey there, laptop users! Is your new SSD lagging when it should be blazing fast? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's how to fix it. First, let's make sure your SSD is properly installed. Check the connections to ensure the SSD is securely slotted in. If the connections are loose, performance can take a hit. Next, confirm the drive is formatted. Head to Disk Management by right-clicking the Start button, find your SSD, and ensure it has a drive letter assigned and is formatted, ideally to NTFS. Now let's talk updates. Head to your SSD manufacturer's website and check for firmware updates. These updates can boost performance and stability. Also, ensure your SATA or NVMe drivers are up to date. You can find them on your laptop manufacturer's website or via Windows Update. Next, open Task Manager using Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Check for background processes hogging resources. Disable or uninstall unnecessary programs, especially those that start with Windows. You can manage startup programs in the Task Manager's Startup tab. Optimizing Windows settings can also make a big difference. Set your power plan to high performance in Control Panel. This prevents your system from throttling performance to save energy. Also, disable unnecessary visual effects. Right-click this PC, select Properties, go to Advanced System Settings and choose Adjust for best performance. Keep the SSD healthy by ensuring trim is enabled. In Command Prompt, as admin, run a sudo behavior query, disable delete notify. If it returns 0, trim is on. If it's 1, enable it with sudo behavior set, disable delete notify 0. And remember, do not defragment your SSD. Monitor your drive's health using tools like Crystal Disk Info. Run disk benchmarks to verify performance against advertised speeds. Also, keep an eye out for malware with a full system scan. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Lastly, check your RAM, ensure it's seated properly, or consider upgrading if you have less than 8 GB. Dual-channel memory configuration also helps. If lag persists, try a clean Windows installation or check BIOS settings to ensure optimal SSD configurations. Follow these steps and you should see a performance boost with your new SSD. Hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.